Hi! So today I wanted to do a skincare haul. I've never actually tried this brand out before, so I'm really excited to do this because everybody raves about it in like the beauty industry and go on about how affordable it is. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. So it came in a box like this. We're just gonna unopen? No, we're gonna open it now. Got some skizzers. And it came in like a kit. So, sorry about that, the window's just like slammed the door shut. Okay, so you get quite a lot of bubble wrap. And then this is what the skin kit looks like. So I got the hydrating for my skin, but you can get a load of different ones. I believe there's ones for like redness, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, people that are wanting to stop aging, all that kind of stuff. But I got the hydrating because my skin does tend to feel a bit tight at times, so I thought I'd give it a go. In this, it tells you on the back actually what you get. So you get a hydrating cleanser, you get a hydrating toner, the moisturiser, the exfoliator, and then you get a hydrating mask. And I bought this for $17.99, so bargain for skincare. I've worked with Dermalogica in the past at beauty salons, and let me tell you, it is not cheap. I think for like one cleanser, it was about, I don't know, they're all different, but the cheapest you could probably get was £28, and I bought the special cleansing gel. And don't get me wrong, it was good, and it is formulated for people that, you know, it's like prescription skincare products, but not everybody can pay that, so I wanted to try something different and cheaper. So the first thing I'm picking out is this. It's the cleanser, and it says it contains aloe vera and cotton. I'm really sorry if you can't read that, the lighting's not great in here, but yeah, it comes like that. Do you know, these are a fairly reasonable size, at 195 mils in here. So yeah, that is that. Let me just read you a bit about what it says. It just says basically how to use it and that it's for normal to dry skin. And then in this little box you also get the moisturiser, and this contains balm, mint and cotton, so it must be something, the cotton must be something beneficial towards the skin. I'm not entirely sure what, I'll probably have to look up on that. But again, you get 195 mils, which is decent. So I think these retail for about, I want to say around £7 or £8 if you're just going to buy them, you know, individually. And then you get a toner. So the toner, again, it contains that balm, mint and cotton. I'm going to smell this, see what it's like. Oh, it's refreshing. Oh, I like that. They smell really good, so let's just hope that they're as good. Do you know, I get so many video interruptions, it's actually pretty annoying. Now I understand YouTubers and like how difficult it actually is. I thought, yeah, you just whack your camera on, you're good to go. No. Interruptions, whether it's kids, cars, fucking fresh air. Just waiting for it to, you know. Okay, sorry about that. So all of a sudden the lighting has just gone really dark, so I apologise that it might look like I am now in night mode. It's just the sun's gone behind the clouds. So anyway, I'll finish this video off with the last two products in the box. You get this facial mask here, and it says that it contains balm, mint and cotton again. So just looks like this, and it comes with a little lid to stop any kind of spewing over the side. Any like spilling over the side. Oh, it smells amazing. really good. I wish you could smell it. It's just beautiful. It's quite a thick consistency as well, so hopefully it is very hydrating. Yeah. And if I didn't already say, you do get 95 mils in here, so it is a reasonable amount. And then, last but not least, is the exfoliator. So this one contains the aloe vera and cotton. And again, it comes with the stopper on top. And it's like a jelly form with little white beads in there. Oh, it just smells, you know that feeling of like, you know that smell of just fresh, like freshness. It's like that, it's beautiful. I'm actually just going to try like a little bit there. It feels really nice too. So yeah, can't wait to try this. And then I just want to show you that it actually comes with a leaflet. So I've opened it up, but you actually get loads of different, it's like they've got quite a wide range of product line. What am I trying to say, Ellie? Get your words out. Variety of products, which I didn't know about. I mean, I did know that they do stuff like pedicures and manicures and stuff like that, but it turns out that they have stuff like bodies and like facial oils and stuff. So I'm just gonna go do like a brief overview. So you get stuff like hydrating, which we just talked about today. You get your calming range here. You get rebalancing, so for like redness and stuff. This is all your eye kind of products. So they do like eye treatment. What else do they do? An eye gel. And then you've got some different kind of masks here. So they're your mud masks. And they do like a luxury range here. So they do like a facial serum, a facial oil, excuse me, a hot cloth cleanser. And there are all your other items on the back that they do. So like a waxing, yada yada yada. I'm just having a look to see here, and they do, under the hydrating bit, it says what the cotton is actually for. So it holds moisturising and hydrating properties with anti-redness effects. So, yeah, it's obviously to stop redness afterwards, once you've done your facial or whatever. The Balm organically cultivated, let me say that again. The Balm organically cultivated and can offer an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Should I say. And then the aloe vera, we all know what aloe vera is used for. Well, most of us do. I say that, I shouldn't really say that. But it's a legendary for its powerful moisturising and nourishing properties. So, can't wait to try this out. Like I say, I'm gonna probably do like a little facial either tonight or tomorrow. I have actually got a client coming over for brows, so I'm not gonna be able to do it tonight. But once I've tried out the products, I'll feed back to you, let you know my thoughts, if they're worth the price point that they are. Which, to be fair, even if they're not, it's not that bad because you haven't spent a bomb on them. You know, like £48 per product, whatever. It's nothing like that. It's very cheap, very affordable, and I can't wait to try them. I just wanted to let you know what else was in the box as well while you're on camera. I mean, while I'm on camera. So I picked up this. You had to reach a certain amount for free delivery, so I thought I might as well just add a few more on, you know, to make it free delivery. And this is the Technique Instant Bronzing Face Gel. And you get quite a lot for this, you know. I didn't think that you'd get this much. Like, I thought it'd come in like a diddy bottle, because this, again, was really cheap. It was £2.99, so I thought I'm going to have to give it a go. Recently, I've been using, like, fake tan on my face, you know, like body tan that you get on my face with just a mitt for the summer. But it breaks your girl out. Like, seriously, I end up with spots everywhere, and the painful ones as well. They're not just like the little ones that you can get. They're fucking painful. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna try this out. I'll let you know my thoughts on this as well. I'll do your review with this, and if it's good or not. And then I just got this hand cream, which a client of mine has been raving about and saying that she can't find it anywhere in store over here, because she's from Plymouth. I'm rambling. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm like rambling. But anyway, pick this up for her. She rates this stuff. I might actually try it myself next time and let you know my thoughts on that as well. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this. Sorry it's a little bit all over the place. I'm still getting my bearings with camera angle words, like this word vomit. It's just, I just talk shit and you'll, anyway. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.